Default text hello everyone. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to professionally customize and modify any template design to match your unique style and branding needs. Visit this website to explore a wide range of template designs available in PSD format, which can be easily opened and edited in Photoshop. The template will be downloaded as a zip file. Now, we will extract the zip file. Once extracted, you will see two files. One is a preview image that can be opened separately, and the other is the Photoshop file. Simply click on the Photoshop file, and it will open in Photoshop. The preview image shown here is not supported on this platform. All the layers are provided separately, allowing us to make any changes and customizations according to our preferences. Now, we will import any image of our choice, apply a clipping mask, and adjust it properly to fit the design perfectly. Now, we will change the color of the design and copy the color code. Then, step by step, we will update the colors throughout the entire design to maintain a consistent look. Next, we will change the background color and update the logo color as well. Then, we will gradually adjust the color of each text element. To maintain a cohesive and professional appearance, all colors will be selected according to the overall theme of the design.